Hi yogis, and welcome to my full body yoga flow with a twist. This beginner yoga class is perfect in the morning to start your day off right. All you need is a yoga mat and I'll walk you through every pose and I'll show you options and variations. So let's get started. Sit back on your heels, and if that's uncomfortable, take a cross-legged position or another seated position that's comfortable for you, as long as you lengthen the spine. Relax the shoulders away from the ears and resting the palms on your thighs. Start taking a deep breath in through the nose, send it all the way down into your belly, then the rib cage. Let your chest expand, and as you exhale, the chest, rib cage, and belly goes in towards the spine. One more deep breath in and a deep breath out. Then bring your hand palms together in front of your heart in prayer position. Close your eyes. Feel free to set your intention for your day. Namasté. We'll start with a side body bend to the right side. So placing the right fingertips on the floor, inhale, lift the left arm up towards the sky, and exhale, hold. Inhale, lengthen the spine, reaching up, and then bend down to the right side. Keep rooting your sitting bones into the earth, especially your left one. Keep breathing and keep your chest open. Inhale, coming back to center, and the other side. Left fingertips on the floor, exhale, inhale. Raise the right arm up, exhale, hold. Inhale, reach up, and then exhale, bend over to your left side. Again, sitting bones are rooted down, especially the right one, and keep your chest, your heart open. Inhale, come back to center, and exhale, release. And let's get ready for a twist. Inhale, raising the arms up. Exhale, hold. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and as you exhale, turn your chest, your upper body to the right, left hand to your right knee, and the right hand to the floor right beside your right hip. Hold and breathe. The hip bones are still facing forward. Inhale, arms up, come back to center, and exhale. Inhale, lengthen the spine. As you exhale, twist and turn to your left side from your upper body, right hand to your left knee, and the left hand close to you by your left hip. Nice deep breaths. Inhale, arms up, come back to center. Good job. Exhale, arms down. And let's take a seat. Swinging the legs forward with your knees bent, so planting the feet into the floor hip width apart. Knees are up. Also make sure you're sitting on your sitting bones. And then placing the hand palms right behind you with your fingers facing the front of the mat. Sit up tall. And you might want to bring your knees a little bit closer to you. You have to play with this a little bit. We're going to windshield wipe our knees from side to side. Just nice and slow. Gentle rocking motions. Here we're warming up our hips and our psoas muscle, our groins. Keep breathing and focusing on the movement, and slowly bring the knees back to center. The left foot stays on the floor. Raise the right leg up and bring the right ankle over and on top of the left knee. You can always help your right foot there. Now stay here and breathe into your right hip joint. The closer the left knee is towards your body, the more intense this pose is. So you can always lower the left knee down. Now you have an option to stay here, or you can follow me for a more intense option by holding your right leg as if you're holding a baby, like you're cradling a baby. And maybe rock from side to side. So go with whatever is comfortable for you and breathe into the pose. Then we're all releasing the right leg, extended in front of you, right foot is flexed. Option 1 is left knee is bent, left foot on the floor. Option 2, left leg is straight. Keep that left foot flexed and roll out your right ankle. Also turn it the other direction. And that's it, good job. Now hold your leg here, bring the left arm up and over to the outside of your right shin or ankle or maybe even foot. You can always bend the right leg. Inhale, get ready, and as you exhale, open from your chest, twist to your right side. Bring the right arm to the back, hold and breathe. Good job. Inhale, back to center. And exhale, release. Place the right foot sole on the inside of your left thigh. Bring the right knee down towards the floor, opening up the right hip. Keep your left foot flexed. Sit up tall. Inhale. Raise the arms up. Exhale, hold. Inhale. Lengthen the spine, reaching up. Start folding from the hips forward, but keep elongating your spine. Then place the hands on the floor and then walk yourself a little bit further on each out breath. Head comes down last, relax the neck. This is head to knee pose. And let's get ready for head to knee pose with a twist. Walking your hands back so you're sitting up tall. Inhale, reach the right arm towards the back, open, twist your chest to the right. And as you exhale, reach your right arm up and over towards your left leg. Feel that side body stretching in your right side. And slowly turning towards the floor. Inhale, reach your left arm to the back, up and over, twisting your chest to the left side. Turn towards the floor with your upper body and then walk your hands back up. Sit up tall. Good job. Support your right knee and bring your right knee back up to your chest. Now bring both knees up, planting the feet into the floor, and do the windshield wiping motion again with your knees from side to side. And bring your knees back to center. Also make sure that your fingers are facing the front of the mat. Extend the left leg, keep the right foot on the floor, and then bring the left ankle on top of your right knee. Remember, the closer the right knee is towards your body, the more intense this pose is. So you can always lower the right leg down to the floor for a less intense option. Feel free to stay here, breathing into your left hip joint, or for a more intense option, follow me. Extend the right leg, flex the right foot, and then hold your left leg as if you're holding a baby. Hold it tight to your upper body, and maybe rock it from side to side. Whichever option you choose what's available for you. The most important thing is that you're breathing and focusing on the movement and your body. Slowly release, extending the left leg. Hold your left leg. You can slightly bend the knee. And then start rolling out your left ankle. Switch directions. Very good. And flex your left foot, holding onto your left leg. Inhale, bring the right hand up and over, holding onto the outside of your left shin, ankle, or your left foot. And as you exhale, twist from your chest, open to the left side, bring the left arm to the back. Sitting up tall. Breathe into your twist. Slowly release on an exhale. Bend the left knee and place your left foot sole on the inside of your right thigh. Let the knee fall to the floor, rooting the sitting bones down into the earth. Inhale, raise the arms up. Exhale, hold. Inhale, elongate the spine. Keep that length in the spine, and as you exhale, fold forward from the hips. Place the hands on the floor. Walk yourself a little bit further down. Relax the neck and drop your head down. Keep activating your right foot. Keep breathing into your left hip joint. And let's get ready for the twist. Walk with your hands yourself back up. And then inhale, reach your left arm to the back, up and over. As you exhale, bending towards your right leg. Keep the chest open to the left side. And then slowly start turning towards the floor. Inhale, reach your right arm to the back, up and over. And as you exhale, bending towards your left leg. And come all the way down, facing the floor. Then walk yourself back up. Sitting up tall with your left hand, support your left knee back up to center. Bring the right knee up, planting the feet into the floor, and give yourself a nice big hug, squeezing your thighs into your chest, your tummy, and release. Next, we'll be doing reverse tabletop position. So plant the palms into the floor, fingers are facing the front of the mat. As you inhale, raise the hips up towards the sky. Make sure that the hands are directly under the shoulders and the ankles directly under the knees. As you exhale, sit back down. Again, inhale, hips up towards the sky. Exhale, sit down. Inhale, hips up. And exhale, down. Last one, we're going to hold the pose. Inhale, press the hips up towards the sky. Keep grounding through your feet and your hands. Try not to hyperextend the elbows, microbend the elbows a little bit. Hold and breathe. Now you can stay here or follow me for a more intense option. Remember to always listen to your body. Slowly start extending your legs one at a time. And keep pressing those hips up towards the sky. Slowly release. Good job. Give yourself a nice big squeeze. Release the hands and bring them behind your thighs. Holding yourself again. We'll be doing a variation on cat-cow. So inhale, arch the spine, look forward. And exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. Inhale, look forward, open the chest. And exhale, hollow out your belly, rounding the spine. Inhale. And exhale. Keep going in your own pace. And slowly release. Keep the hands behind the knees and then start leaning back with a long spine. Protect your lower back by pushing your belly button in towards the spine. You'll feel your core working. Release the hands. And now raise your hands up. Inhale, get ready for a twist. As you exhale, open the right arm up to the right and all the way to the back. Open, twist your chest to the right. Inhale, back to center. As you exhale, other side. Twisting from your upper body. Keep your core nice and strong. Keep breathing. And inhale, come back to center. Good job. Feel free to stay here, especially if your tummy is shaking. That means your core muscles are toning. If you're ready for the next option, join me. Hold on to the backs of the knees, lean back, and then lift the feet off the ground. Knees are still bent. Maybe release the hands. So remember to keep your spine nice and long and keep pressing that belly button in towards the spine. Good job. Inhale, get ready for the twist. And as you exhale, open the right arm to the right. Inhale, back to center. And as you exhale, open your chest to the left. And inhale, back to center. Good job. We're almost done with both pose. Hold the pose and breathe. Or the last challenge is to extend your legs. Good job. Release. Give yourself a nice, well-deserved hug. We're going to close class with one more twisting exercise. So come a little bit forward to the front of the mat. And then start rolling yourself down. Use those lovely ab muscles we just worked out again. So roll yourself down in a very controlled way. One vertebrae at a time. Head comes down last. Nice. And make sure that your lower back is really imprinted into the floor. Then walk your feet closer towards your bum, with your knees up, and also your feet are hip width apart. Keeping the arms along the body, we'll be doing those windshield wipe motions again with our knees. So inhale, get ready, and as you exhale, drop the knees to the right. Inhale, knees back to center. As you exhale, drop the knees to the left. Keep going in your own pace. Slowly bringing the knees back to center. Good job. Now lift the arms up as you inhale. Also lift the shoulder blades off the floor and then exhale. Grab the opposite shoulder blade with your hand and then plant the shoulder blades back into the floor. Inhale, get ready, and as you exhale, let your elbows gently fall. It's only a few centimeters or inches to the right. Back to center on an inhale, and as you exhale, to the left. Very subtle motions. And elbows go back to center. We're going to combine everything. So inhale, get ready. As you exhale, drop the knees to the right. Elbows go to the left. Inhale, back to center. Knees to the left, elbows to the right. Inhale, everything back in center. Exhale, knees dropping to the right, elbows to the left. Inhale, back to center. Knees to the left, elbows to the right. Keep going at your own pace. Feel free to add your head to the mix, so when your knees are dropping to the right, roll your head to the right as well. And slowly coming back to center. We're going to stay here. We're going to close class in this position. The only thing we're going to do is pointing the toes, the big toes inward and the heels outward. Rest the knees against each other. Keeping the elbows up. Keep holding on to your shoulder blades, the opposite shoulder blades. Head is in the center. Feel free to close your eyes and take 5 deep breaths in and out through the nose. Keep the focus on your breath and on your body. Releasing any tension with every exhale. Feel free to continue deep breathing if that feels good, and otherwise just allow your breath to be, let it follow its own rhythm. Keep the focus on your breath and on your body. Keep releasing tension. We'll stay here for another minute. Slowly start deepening your breath, releasing your hands. Feel free to give yourself a nice stretch. You can interlace your hands and bring them above the head, lengthen the spine. Scooping your hips over to the left, turn to your right side into a fetus position. From there, slowly push yourself up to a cross-legged position. Sit up tall, lengthen your spine through the crown of the head, rooting down through your sitting bones. And maybe spinning your inner thighs down. Placing the palms on the knees. Slightly dip the chin and close your eyes. Take a nice deep cleansing breath in and out through the nose. And notice your body with an open mind. On your next inhale, raise the arms up towards the sky. Exhale, palms facing down, pressing the air away. Inhale, arms up. Bring in all that positive light and energy into your being. Palms touching in prayer position. Bring them down in front of your face and then in front of your heart space. Take a nice deep breath. Feel gratitude for showing up on your mat today, doing this yoga practice with me. You did a wonderful job. And also remember your intention. I wish you a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.